Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the 15 private universities, and there is a chance for the PG plus UGC qualified or the UGC not qualified candidates and the PhD also. And the selection will be mostly based upon the direct interview process, and there will be no written test and all. And the candidates who wants to get the regular notifications, here my Telegram link I am providing in the description box of this video. So you may join in my Telegram group. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Coming to the present content of the video, here in Still Outlook website, the one article was published that is more than 15 private universities are recruiting the faculty posts. So you may check down here. As on 17th December 2020, there are 15 private universities which have opened window for the faculty recruitment, and the universities are C.V. Raman Global University Bhubaneswar and United Group of Institutes Noida, Apex University Jaipur, Himalayan School of Science and Technology Dehradun and IIMT Group of Colleges, IMI Bhubaneswar and Birla Global University Bhubaneswar, and Ajim Premji University Bangalore, Brainware University Kolkata, JP University of Information Technology Solan, and Aditya Institute of Management Studies and Research Mumbai, Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, Asia Pacific Institute of Management New Delhi, and Shivanadar University Chennai, and Greater Noida Institute of Technology IPU campus. So out of these universities, the few universities already I mentioned in my previous videos, so you may go through my YouTube channel. Okay, so to get the videos regarding these universities, my YouTube channel link is also provided in the description box of this video. So here coming to the individual things, coming to the C.V. Raman Global University. So here the recruiting faculty posts and available for the professor, associate as well as the assistant professor and the research scholars. And the subjects are mathematics, English, physics, chemistry, master in business administration, BBA, civil, electrical, electronics and communication, computer, information technology, computer science engineering, chemical, mechanical and marine. While coming to the Apex University, so here the departments like law, education, paramedical, physiotherapy, fashion and design, humanities and arts, physical education, Ayurvedic sciences, yoga and naturopathy, agricultural sciences, pharmaceutical sciences, engineering and technology, commerce and management, computer applications and IT, life and applied sciences, library and information sciences, veterinary and animal husbandry, and journalism and mass communication. So coming to the Himalayan School of Science and Technology, computer science, engineering, civil and mechanical. In United Group of Institutions Noida, the departments are pharmacy, computer science, management and mass communication and journalism. And while coming to the IM group of colleges, so here the Polytechnic is also there, engineering, pharmacy, law, BBA, BCA, BCom and MBA. And coming to the engineering, CSIT, and in Polytechnic, ME civil and electrical, and MBA, MCA, management, commerce, physics, chemistry, mathematics, English, BBA, BCA, BCom, BJMC, physical education, finance, HR, marketing and economics. And coming to the IMI Bhubaneswar, the posts are there for the professor, associate and assistant professor. And coming to the Birla Global University, so here also few posts are mentioned. And coming to the Ajim Premji University, okay, and here for the economics, okay, is there. And coming to the Brainware, the PhD is mandatory. And coming to the JP University, so JP University few groups are there, So here you can check down for the computer science and the civil engineering. And coming to the Aditya Institute of Management Studies and Research College. So finance, marketing, HR, general management and IT. And coming to the Noida Institute of Engineering and Technology, so CSC, Artificial Intelligence and IoT, and IT, Biotechnology, MBA, Mathematics, English, Foreign Languages, and Asia Pacific Institute of Management and Technology, Finance and Accounting, Banking and Law, OB and HR Operations, Business Communications and Economics, IT, Marketing and Strategy, and Shivanadar University also. So few posts are there, founding faculty posts. And in Greater Noida Institute of Technology, Electronics and Communication, Computers, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry and English. Okay, so total these are the 15 private universities. Okay, so I gone through the subjects also. So if you belongs to any one of this department, then you may go to the individual website of these universities. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini K, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK. and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.